Good morning, student. I am the UK teacher. Today's topic will be linear equation up to with the equalization system. I already shown the billing which is tied to two exercise meet. The leader X and the fish one must be clear. In this case, we are going to draw hand. We will have two an equation two and the other two change is negative, and the whole half equal to minus 2 x over 2. Till we take the next incognita, take is minus x plus 5 equals 16, and we start to clear take a weak wall half half and equal 16. As x is negative, change to plus x10, clearing the leader and the will have equal system plus x over 5. Then we start to equalize and we have to start multiplying 5 start multiplying on the other side and 2 on the other side, and we have 5 times 2 equal 15 by minus 2 equal minus fixed x equal we start multiplying 2 times 16 equals 30 2 plus 2 times x equal 2 x 10 week. Have to change the number week letter on the left side and the number on the right side, and they will have to manufacturing x minus 2 x equal 32 minus 50. Then we have minus 16 x minus 2 x equal 30 to minus 16. So we have minus 16 x minus 2 equals 17 equals 17. The thing we solve for x, and x would be equal to 17 over minus 17, and it would be 10 x is minus 1. So we have to take on the or unknown, in this case we are going to take x, and x is equal to 16 plus book is no longer x, book minus 1 because it is value of x over 5. I will start equal 15 or 15 and the zero answer and the equal 3. I will 10 times x will be minus 1 and I will be 3. You studying lesson on the every time learning from linear equation between medium you like the most.
Good morning. My exercise is by the substitution method. We are going to solve the equation by the method of substitution. First, we are going to use the simple equation. In this case, is the first one, we are going to solve x. We have to replace x in the second equation. Now we are going to have only one variable, so we are going to solve y. X equals 5 plus y. 5 plus y plus y equals 2. Plus 2y equals 2 plus 5. Plus 2y equals plus 3. y equals cos 3 cos 2. Y equals 3, 2. X equals 5 cos 3, 2. X equals 7, 2.
Good morning. Next, I will teach you how to solve a system of equations with unknowns. Through the substitution method, what we must do is clear one of the unknowns in one of the equation and substitute its value in the next. We will see it in more detail in the following example. First, we solve for one of the unknowns in the first equation, and we have x plus y equals 7. As we are going to clear x, we pass the y to the other side. When doing this, the y changes in. Next, we substitute in the second equation the corresponding value of the x. We have 5x less 2y equal less 7. How to replace the x? We put 5 in bracket 7 less y less 2y equals 7. Now we clear the y. 55 less 5y less 2y equal less 7. 35 less 7y equal less 7. Um, Less 7y equal less 7 less 35. Less 7y equal less 42. Now equal less 42 less 7 equals 6. Y equals 6. Finally, we use the value of y to find the value of x. X equals 7 less y. X equals 7 less 6 equal 1, and x equal 1. The solution of our system is x equal 1 and y equal 6. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm going to solve an exercise of two system equations by elimination methods. This is my equations. So first we must perform a multiplication in x. We choose which unknown we want to disappear. In this case, it will be x. We invert the quantities and we put a negative sign on some of them. We start the multiplication. This is the result of multiplication. And resolve the problem. 6x less 6x is equal 0. 12y plus 5y is equal 17y, and less 19 plus less 12 is equal less 102. The 17 way happens to divide, and the result is y is equal to less 6. Now we are going to solve for x by replacing y in one of our equations. I select the first equation. I'm replacing the letter y for the result. That is that it is less 6. Like x plus 2 times less 6 is equal less 15. X less 12 is equal less 15, and x is equal less 15 plus 12, and the result is x is equal less 3. Thanks.
You studying you today concludes the class. The exercises are well developed. Please go through the lesson platform week. Nothing more to say until tomorrow week physical class.